Rina. I'm a fitness and wellness influencer. Measuring my weight has become an easy way for me to assess my health. For this, I have a weighing scale which has become an indispensable item at home. Let me tell you more about it. Simply put, weighing scales are tools used to measure your weight. But these days, with improvements in technology, it also measures body composition. These weighing scales can be used for someone who's trying to build muscle or someone who's just trying to lose weight. There are multiple types of weighing scale in the market, and today I'm going to take you through a few. Firstly, we have the analog or the mechanical type. These are steady weighing machines that do not require batteries. They use 4 bars to evenly apply pressure to the spring that is used to measure weight. The next type of weighing machines are digital and can provide measurements down to the gram. Since it's on a digital screen, it makes it easy to read. The machine works by bending a load cell which sends electrical signals to the digital monitor for reading. Next up, we have the smart weighing machines. These are sleek and extremely portable. These are also rechargeable and can be charged using a basic USB cable. The LCD screen displays the results with precision every time thanks to the strain gauge sensor technology. And finally, we've got the Cardo weighing machine that uses handles attached to the weighing machine to measure body composition and track progress. In addition to measuring your body fat and muscle mass, you can also measure your bone mass and body water percentage. Simply measure your height and your weight and use a BMI chart to get the corresponding value. To use these weighing scales, make sure you place them on a flat and hard surface. Also make sure that your feet are firmly planted on the weighing scale. Sometimes you have to give it a nudge to switch it on. Try to keep your body extremely still while getting a reading. Also, as our body weight fluctuates throughout the day, it's best to get the reading around the same time every day. For smart or Carado weighing scales, it's best to weigh yourself early in the morning prior to eating or drinking in order to make sure the data is not skewed. The BMI or the body mass index is a measure to quickly gauge whether you are in a healthy weight bracket. Although some weighing scales help you to calculate the BMI, it's easy to calculate using a chart as well. Simply measure your height and your weight and use a BMI chart to get the corresponding value. I hope you can now make an informed decision when buying a weighing scale. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, take care.
Introducing the Meditative Smart Bluetooth BMI Scale. The package includes the user manual, warranty card and the weighing scale unit and 3 AAA batteries. First, remove the plastic cap from behind the battery to switch on the scale. There is a unit button behind the scale to change the units of measurement between kilogram, pounds or stone. Make sure that you have set the unit of measurement to kilograms. You can download the Fides app from Apple Store or Google Play Store. Next, register using your email and create a new password. You can then fill in the user details like the height, age, gender, etc. The athlete mode option has to be selected only if you have been doing resistance training very regularly in the gym. Otherwise, do not select the athlete mode. Now keep the scale on a hard and even surface. Do not use it on carpet or inside the box. Please ensure that both the Bluetooth and the location services are switched on your phone. There is no need to manually connect this scale to your device as it has the auto pairing feature. Whenever you open the app and the scale is switched on, it will get connected automatically. Now press the scale with 1 foot to turn it on. You will see that the reading starts appearing at both the scale and the mobile phone. You can now stand on the scale and take the reading. Please make sure you are standing bare feet, and not with your socks or shoes. Your feet should be touching the electrodes on the scales, only then the other parameters will display as this scale uses bioimpedance analysis technique. Once the reading is complete, you will see finished written on the app. You can go into more data to see all the parameters. Below each parameter, the generic range is given indicating where your values lie in between. The weight scale will display 13 body parameters. New family member profiles can be added in the same mobile. You can select the family member from the top left corner at the time of measurement. You can also share the data or trend with your dietitian or doctor over WhatsApp or mail. If you wish to connect some other mobile to the same weight scale, you need to first unbind the scale by going into Account and then Device and then unpair this scale. You can then connect to the new mobile manually by opening the Fides app, then going into the Account tab. Next, on the top left corner, go inside the Device tab. Here, click the plus button and then press the Bluetooth button. Now ensure that the scale is switched on. It will automatically detect my scale and display it on the mobile screen. You can select it and confirm the pairing. The Meditative BMI weight scale is your perfect companion to track your fitness progress and help you achieve your health goals. Meditative brand takes full responsibility for the quality of our products, and our team is always ready to give prompt customer support. We hope you have liked our product.